Changes to the carbon tax, wealth taxes and support for lower wage workers were in focus during Singapore's budget debate. MPs agree that the carbon tax is an essential part of the country's green transition, and they urge the government to cushion Singaporeans from the impact of the increase.
This coming series of carbon tax increases will be our most ambitious move. It will have significant cost implications to businesses and households. Hence, without transitory support, some businesses may not be able to cope and some may exit. So I welcome the clarification by the Finance Minister that the government does not expect to derive additional revenue from the carbon tax levy.
MPs have also called on the government to do more to improve working conditions for lower wage jobs. Others say the progressive wage model is not enough to cover the wage increases for these workers.
I am concerned that even with the government's progressive wage credit scheme to support part of the wage increases, businesses will still have to pass along some cost increases to customers and consumers. In tandem, we need to redesign the operations and job processes and improve the working conditions for lower wage jobs. While Singaporeans need to change their attitude towards lower wage jobs, business owners should also shift their mindset and relook at how to improve the work conditions that have been deterring Singaporeans to take on such roles.
Well, MPs also welcome the enhancement to the Workfare Income Supplement Scheme. The scheme aims to boost the wages of lower-income workers and help them save more for their retirement.
I do, however, want to appeal to Minister Wong to reconsider the introduction of the minimum income criteria of $500 per month. This will impact older low-wage workers of those who are caregivers and need the flexibility of part-time work. For this group of workers, while they can and do want to work, part-time work may be more suitable for them.
Corporate income taxes make up a large part of the government's operating revenues, and this year the new framework to the global minimum taxation regime, BEPS 2.0, has been in sharp focus.
While part of the goals of this budget is to build a fairer and more resilient tax system, where those with greater means contribute a larger share, could there be more scope for certain corporates to pay their fairer share of taxes, especially against the context of a looming GST hike, which ultimately is borne by the end consumer and not the corporates?